Hello everybody, I'm going to show you around this wonderful 3-bedroom property. As you can see, we'll start off on the outside and there's space for multiple cars just here, along with a lovely Acer. So let's take a look inside the property. So you have an entrance doorway just here, but I'm going to take you around the back here. There's also a garage just there as well. So I'm going to take you through this entrance here, and the reason I'm going to take you through this entrance is because look at those patio doors. These patio doors will lead you out into a lovely rear garden. Really nice entertainment space here. And what a glorious day it is here in Eccles as well. So this particular part of Eccles, Worsley Road, is very, very desirable and very sought after. So moving on from here, I'm going to take you into the wonderful kitchen diner. Now it's spotlights to ceiling pretty much throughout. As you can see, you've got a lovely modern kitchen here. Also has some integral appliances just here. You have a dishwasher, there's space for your washing machine just there as well. And I must point out that if these appliances do fail at some point, the landlords will just remove the appliances and you'll have to get those replaced. So as you can see, gorgeous kitchen diner, integral fridge freezer as well. There's oven. So from here, there is also a storage cupboard just here. And then let's take a look around the rest of the property. So this is the second door that I was saying to you, which is probably the main door of the property. But the carpet that's been fitted here is really, really nice and fluffy. So the owners did want to sort of tend to keep this looking fluffy all the time. So we'll go into the lounge area just here. A really, really good size. Really spacious. I love the Hoover marks on the carpet. Great space. So this sofa is quite large, so you still get plenty of space here. So moving on from here, let's take a walk upstairs. Now the staircase here is quite wide as well, which is quite handy if you're bringing up some furniture. So we'll start off in the master bedroom to my right. Really nice double aspect window, fitted wardrobes just there. Again, lovely marks in the carpet. Spotlights to ceiling. And a good sized room all in all. So we then go on to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is another double room, currently used as a nursery. Plenty of space. As you can see, large wardrobe as well, so it certainly gives you an idea how big the room is. Now the blinds that have been fitted in the property have been done to a really, really good standard and not cheap. Third bedroom, another double room, currently used as a dressing room. Again, large furniture in here, but very spacious. Another double room. And then we'll go into the family bathroom just here. Very nice and modern. Space works really, really well. Now, not often you get a lot of properties available on the market at this standard. So this is certainly one property you need to be in contact with us for. So give us a call on 0161 747 9379 and get this property secured today. Thank you for watching.